In the heart of Iran lies a forgotten world, the Lut Desert, a place where no life dares to stay. Scorched by the sun, carved by the wind, and silenced by time. Here, temperatures soar higher than anywhere else on Earth. No trees, no rivers, only endless waves of sand and stone. This is not just a desert, it is nature at its most extreme. Welcome to Dashti Lut, a sweeping view of the Lut Desert landscape with its salt flats, barren hills, and endless sky. Lut Desert. Welcome to one of the most extreme and mysterious places on Earth, the Lut Desert, located in southeastern Iran. Often considered one of the hottest and driest regions in the world, the Lut Desert, also known as Dashti Lut, is a vast expanse of desolation, a place where nature's power is on full display. Stretching over an area of around 20,000 square miles, the Lut Desert is home to unique and awe-inspiring landscapes that have intrigued scientists, explorers, and adventurers alike. In this video, we will explore the history, geology, climate, flora, fauna, and the cultural significance of this remarkable desert. Join us on a journey to discover how the Lut Desert came to be, why it remains a place of scientific study, and what secrets it holds beneath its surface. The Lut Desert is situated in the southeastern part of Iran, bordering the Kerman and Sistan-Baluchistan provinces. It is part of the larger Iranian Plateau, a vast arid region that spans much of Iran. The desert itself is surrounded by mountains on its northern and western edges, with vast stretches of salt flats in the center. Discuss the desert's main features, including its salt marshes, sand dunes, and rock formations like the Gav Kuni Salt Marsh and Yardang formations. These formations are sculpted by wind erosion and are often compared to a surreal landscape that seems out of this world. The Lut Desert has been a crossroads for ancient trade routes. You can also talk about the nearby historical sites, like the ancient city of Kerman, which adds a rich layer of human history to the desert's stark beauty. Describe the geological history of the Lut Desert, dating back millions of years. The desert is primarily composed of salt flats, sand dunes, and volcanic rock. Over time, tectonic shifts and climatic changes transformed the region into one of the hottest places on Earth. The Lut Desert is home to some of the largest salt flats in the world. The presence of these salt marshes and large yardangs, wind-carved ridges, creates a unique geological environment. Discuss how wind and water erosion have played a crucial role in shaping the landscape. The Lut Desert holds the record for the highest ground temperature ever recorded on Earth, 159.3 degrees Fahrenheit, which occurred in 2005. Discuss the science behind these extreme temperatures and how the lack of vegetation and moisture contributes to this phenomenon. The Lut Desert's climate is classified as hyper-arid, meaning it receives almost no precipitation. The average rainfall is less than 3 centimeters annually, and the extreme heat during the day combined with the cold nights creates dramatic temperature shifts. As mentioned, the Lut Desert holds the world record for the highest ground temperature, and its air temperature can easily exceed 122 degrees Fahrenheit during summer months. The winds in the Lut Desert can reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour, shaping the desert's topography and causing rapid changes in the landscape. Despite its extreme conditions, the Lut Desert is home to a variety of hardy plant species. These include salt-tolerant plants like tamarisk, acacia, and desert shrubs. These plants have adapted to survive in the harsh environment, with deep roots that access underground water sources. The desert also supports a range of wildlife, including rodents, foxes, lizards, snakes, and migratory birds. Many of these animals have developed unique adaptations to cope with the heat, such as nocturnal behavior or burrowing during the hottest parts of the day. Some rare and endangered species, such as the Persian leopard and the Iranian bustard, live in the periphery of the desert. Discuss the importance of conservation efforts in this region. The Lut Desert has been home to various human settlements over the centuries. Ancient civilizations, such as those in the nearby city of Kerman, have thrived in this arid region. Discuss the ways these people adapted to desert life and the significance of trade routes that pass through the area. Today, life around the Lut Desert is largely influenced by the extreme environment. Small villages exist on the fringes of the desert, where people rely on traditional means of agriculture and pastoralism. The desert's unique beauty and extreme landscape have begun to attract tourists, but due to the challenging environment, tourism is limited and requires careful management. Scientists study the Lut Desert's extreme temperatures and climate patterns to gain insights into the effects of climate change on the planet. The desert's extreme conditions make it an ideal location for testing models of extreme heat and arid ecosystems. The Lut Desert's unique environment has also made it a site for astrobiological studies. Its harsh landscape resembles conditions on Mars, and researchers use the desert to study how life might survive in such extreme environments. As we conclude our exploration of the Lut Desert, one of the world's most inhospitable yet awe-inspiring landscapes, we are reminded of the incredible power of nature and the resilience of life. From the blistering heat of the Gandambarian Plateau to the salt flats that stretch endlessly under the sun, the Lut Desert challenges both our understanding of life and our perception of what is possible in such extreme environments. While the Lut Desert's climate, with its soaring temperatures and almost non-existent rainfall, may appear as a barren wasteland to many, it is in fact a living testament to the adaptability of life forms and the ever-changing forces of nature. The flora and fauna that manage to survive here have developed extraordinary mechanisms to cope with the harsh environment. These adaptations are not only fascinating, but also a reminder of the resilience that life, in all its forms, can demonstrate when faced with seemingly insurmountable challenges. In the world of scientific research, the Lut Desert serves as a natural laboratory where geologists, meteorologists, biologists, and other researchers can study one of the harshest environments on Earth. The formation of its salt flats, the presence of wind-sculpted yardangs, and the extreme temperatures offer insight into processes that occur in other, more hostile locations on Earth and even other planets. For instance, the geological features of the Lut Desert closely resemble those found on Mars, which has sparked interest from space agencies like NASA. As scientists continue to study the Lut Desert, they gain valuable information that can be used to understand not only our planet's history, but also how similar environments might evolve elsewhere in the universe. Moreover, the cultural significance of the Lut Desert cannot be overlooked. Though it is a harsh and unforgiving place, it has been central to the stories of the people who have lived along its borders for centuries. The ancient trade routes that pass through the desert helped to shape the culture and history of the region, connecting distant civilizations and enabling the exchange of goods, ideas, and knowledge. The desert's history is steeped in the rich cultural heritage of the Iranian people, and today it continues to be a place of fascination for those who seek to understand the past and its relationship to the present. In recent years, the Lut Desert has also become a destination for adventurous travelers who are drawn to its unique and breathtaking landscapes. Whether it's the vast salt flats, the towering sand dunes, or the rugged mountain ranges, there is no shortage of awe-inspiring sights to behold. Yet even with the increasing interest from tourists, the desert remains a place of solitude and reflection, where one can truly connect with nature and experience the vastness of the world in a way that few other places can offer. But with all this in mind, the future of the Lut Desert is uncertain. As with many natural wonders around the world, the increasing pressures of climate change, human encroachment, and resource extraction pose threats to the delicate balance of this unique ecosystem. Efforts to preserve and protect the desert's landscapes and the species that depend on them are becoming more urgent. The challenge lies in managing the desert's appeal to both scientific research and tourism, while ensuring that the environment remains intact for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of the Earth's most remarkable places. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible explorations of the world's most fascinating locations.